In this video, we're going to learn how to add text behind a person in your videos. You might have seen this cool effect in a lot of videos that YouTubers are using nowadays. We'll learn how to do that in this video. So first of all, open up CapCut and load a new project. Select the video where you want to add text behind the subject. So in my case, this is the video that I'm going to use. You guys can see that this subject is standing in the jungle. I'll go ahead and remove the CapCut watermark from the video. Load up your video and add text. Tap on text, tap add text and add your text. I'm going to type forest in my case. Let's just change the font to make it look cool. Let's use this one. We want to make sure that this is to the length of our video. So I've dragged it till the end of the video so that it fits. And then also I would add animations. So first fade in and I'll select it at 2 seconds maybe. And then fade out and I'll keep it at 1 second. Click OK. So this is how your video looks now. The text appears, but it is still in front of the subject. We want to move it behind the subject. So you can simply export this video. After the video is exported, load a new project again and select the video that you just exported. Add it to the timeline. So this is the video that we just created. Now what you want to do is you want to add an overlay. So tap overlay, tap add overlay, select the original video, not the one that you just created, but the original video. Tap add, adjust it to the screen size. You would see these white square bars after you adjust it to the screen. And then you want to remove the background. And how do you do that? Select the overlay clip, tap cutout, remove background. It'll take a moment and remove your video's background, so just wait for a moment while it does that. So we have the background removed now. Let's just play the video and see how it looks. You guys can see that our text is appearing behind the subject. Now once this is done, simply export the video. Make sure you're exporting in 4K and 60 frames per second. That'll ensure that your video's quality is good. Let's just wait for it to export, then I'll play it once for you. So our video is exported. Let's go in the gallery and play this video. So this is the video that we just created. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye-bye.